It's a beautiful day. Wala masyadong balita.
Kung hindi naman makontak, ay hindi naman sinasagot ng telepono. Umuwi talaga ako na Maynila. Dalawang yan. Papakita ko sa kanila yung phone bill ko. Tapos ipipilipit ko lang naman sa leeg nila. Pagkatapos na ng gagawin ko, kukunin ko ang ulo nila. At ang gagawin ko lang, na! Just relax. Relax. Baka gabi doon ngayon. Baka natutulog sila. Hindi nila masagot yung telepono. Tapos bukas sa bukas, tatawagan ka nila. Kasi hindi ka naman pababayaan ng kapatid mo eh. Kaya ka dito sa Prague. Dahil mag-i-enjoy ka. At yun ang gagawin ko. Talagang mag-i-enjoy ako. Simple lang yun. Relax ka lang dyan.
Sir, dun po yung trailer nyo. Get me H right now. Ito na po. H. Lumabas na sa diary yung mga pictures. I thought you're gonna take care of it.
Baby, talaga naman tinry ko pero mabilis talaga silang rumisponde. Natatakot nga ako baka kumalat agad dito sa local press. Alam ba, magbibigay na nga ako ng statement of damage control. Ano ba talaga nangyayari, Justin? Saka itong picture niyo parang...
I had to remove my coat dahil nasukahan niya ako. Yun lang yun.
Sino itong babae na to? Hindi mo kilala?
Yung babaeng yun, Pilipina siya. Nakatabi ko sa aeroplano, pero wala akong planong kilalanin siya. Luka-luka ata yung babaeng yun eh. I left everything for you. My job, my friends, my family, for you. But now, you're telling me that I don't love you enough?
Things are different now, it's changed.
But my feelings for you, they never changed.
I'm so sorry. I have to go.
And cut. Okay, let's shoot this scene again. Now we go for close-ups. Okay? Give us 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. Si Marqueta. Hi. Sure. Oh.
He's so cute. I heard that he's the biggest star in the Philippines. He seems so nice. I mean, I saw he waved to his fans a while ago.
Ah, no, that's not true. I'm from the Philippines, and he's not nice. Very bad.
Do you know Justin?
Oh, yes. I see him magazine, a lot of girls, lots of scandal. Every time he does a movie, the one girl was the second girl, the third girl, always all together.
Really?
Yeah.
What kind of scandal?
Like that. Playboy, or he's like that with this girl, playing with that one. Bad press too.
Really?
Hi. I told you we'd see each other again.
Ay, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Kaya ko sa si Justin magmerenda eh. Kaya lang, busy pa siya.
Kilala mo si Justin?
Yeah, we're friends.